Alright y'all, about to head to the gym, train some back. Unfortunately, not this gym, but the other gym. So we're gonna do some deadlifts. Here we go. Alright y'all, saw a back workout. I'm whooped. Deadlifts were rocking. Went up to 405, 415, 425 for 5, and then I dropped back down to 335 for another 5. So feeling pretty good. What's happening, y'all? It's been a crazy day thus far. Been on the computer a lot. Saturday is the day that I update all my clients' macros, so I've been working on that all day. I've also tried to get caught up on email, worked on accounting, all that stuff. But I got a package in, and one of my clients recommended, they saw the vlog where I talked about me reducing my caffeine intake, and they recommended L-tyrosine from this brand here, Thorne. So I got some L-tyrosine. I also got some vitamin D. These are 5,000 IUs per capsule, which is kind of nice because I was running out of vitamin D. So I'm going to have some vitamin D and some L-tyrosine. I have not really played around with L-tyrosine before, but this is 500 milligrams per capsule. I'm not really sure what. Take one capsule 3 times daily as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. So yeah, but apparently this stuff is supposed to help minimize the negative effects you get when you cut caffeine, i.e. headaches, etc., etc. Plus it's supposed to give you some energy, so it makes cutting caffeine a little bit more tolerable. So I'm gonna have one capsule right now with my Zevia, Dr. Zevia, which does contain a little bit of caffeine, not much though. So yeah, I love these things. Hopefully I love these things. By the way, I'm also gonna have some of this peely nut butter. This is a new flavor. This is raw cacao with maca and lucuma. Come on, focus. It's not gonna focus. But 1 ounce is 1 serving, and the macros on that are 190 calories, 19 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbs, 2 fiber, 2 sugar, and the ingredients are peel nuts, coconut butter, coconut oil, etc., etc., etc. So pretty good stuff. I'm gonna dive in right now and just eat it by the spoon because I have a lot of calories to get in today, like 4,000 still. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I'm in here making bricks. Guess what's about to start in 30 minutes? The NF concert I bought tickets for. Never been to a concert before in my life. And I really like NF. I listen to him when I train. I thought it'd be cool if I bought tickets to this concert and took Crystal to it because we've never been before and it'd be fun. But guess what? That's not our reality right now. Instead, I wasted $100 on the concert tickets because we're in here making bricks because it didn't get done this week. Now, it may sound like I'm complaining, but I'm not. I'm just joyous over the fact that I'm in here. Crystal's joyous too, huh?
Super joyous.
What do you think, babe? Joyous? You talk to the camera for a second? Right now it's just your lip in there.
Hello, everybody. It does stink, but I've been trying to really keep my spirits high, and
She's doing a lot better job than me.
I am. Robert's pretty pissed. I think that, you know, this is the kind of life that we chose, and I don't know, we're just doing our thing, and sometimes you just gotta suck it up, forfeit the fun things, and grind. I'm gonna transfer this back to Robert.
And it's not that, this is falling. It's not that I am complaining or frustrated that we have the business and there's stuff to do. Like, I'm the business owner, the buck stops here, it's my responsibility, I get that. What's frustrating is that we literally never do anything outside our normal, like, grinding self. And the one time I try, it gets shot down because this takes priority. Because if we don't get these heat sealed, then they become harder and you don't have the softer texture, which is what we're going for. So, we're not gonna sacrifice the softer texture. We're gonna get this done. I'm really trying to stay positive. At the end of the day, I know if I take a break and breathe, I can only be happy and smile, and I know I'm fortunate for all the stuff that we have going for us. So I'm not complaining. I would be a fool to complain. But in the moment, it's frustrating when you look forward to something and then it gets shut down because other responsibilities take precedence.
Still love you.
I don't know. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get to rapping. All right, y'all, it is 8:20. Concert started 20 minutes ago. Should we go, Crystal? You don't know? On principle alone, should we go? Just because we can? What do you think? Think so?
I guess so.
Even if we only go for 30 minutes? Here we go.
I'm just trying to be me, I am nobody else. I don't care what you think, I'm just being myself. Let's go. I'll just be the outcast. I'll just be the outcast. I'll just be the outcast. I guess I'll be the outcast.
Alright, y'all, we just left the concert. It was a great concert. NF's the bomb diggity. We're at Walmart right now. Gotta get some bacon and eggs. Alright, y'all, while we're here at Walmart, I went ahead and bought a hunting license. We got deer camp coming up next weekend, so gotta get me some deer tags. What kind of bacon did you get, baby?
Hormel's Natural Choice. 100%, no preservatives, 100% natural.
Nice. What else you got?
I got some large eggs and some almonds.
Let's eat it up. Alright, y'all, final clip of the day. I got, how many pieces of bacon is this? 14, 13.
Yeah, so
a lot of bacon and 6 eggs. I'm gonna eat this up. I rewatched that clip that I made earlier of us in the kitchen, and I definitely don't want it to come across that I'm like complaining or any of that stuff, because I don't know, there's times when I don't know, there's just, we have to sacrifice so much in business, but I would not do it any other way, any other day ever. Like, I love my life. I love all the hardships, and sometimes it's like you just and even something trivial is like missing out on something as simple as a concert because you're in there in the kitchen making the bricks, you know, like that's just like the principle of it all, you know. But I wouldn't want it any different, and I don't want anybody to ever think that I would. So hopefully that did not come across as complaining. In reality, owning your own business and being your own boss, there's no punching out on the time clock. It never stops. Even if I'm not physically working, I got my wheels spinning. Even when we went to the concert for like 20 or 30 minutes, the whole time I was like thinking about the inventory I have on hand, what I need to order. Like, it never stops. And I love that. So I'm not ever gonna wish anything different upon myself. But yeah, that said, I'm about to dig into this plate. I'm gonna spend some more time with Crystal and wrap up the Saturday evening. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.